Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change download folder location on Google Chrome browser. So let's get started. First open Google Chrome browser on your PC. Now click on three dots located at the top right side. This option is to customize and control Google Chrome. From the available options, click on Settings. Now on the left side, you will find the option Advanced along with down arrow. Just click on this option. From here, click on Downloads. On the right panel, you will find current location where all the files get downloaded. To change this path, click on Change button. This will open folder selection window. Just select the folder which you wish to set as the downloads path. Once you select the folder, all the files you download will appear in that folder. So that was all about how to change download folder location on Google Chrome browser. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.